Okay, hi students. I am Dr. P. Pondiyamal, Department of Mathematics, GTN Arts College. Today I have to take a graph theory and basic concepts. Okay, what is a graph? Okay, already we well known that graph is a network. One of the most main application of graph is what is this network. Formally, a graph is a set of nodes. Nodes is like as it is a vertices, points, etc. Okay, joined by a set of lines and arrows or edges. Okay, these are the lines and then okay, these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the nodes. It is the vertices. And then lines, it is edges, that lines or what is this? Edges, okay, arrows, etc. Okay, this is a simple graph. This one is a simple graph. This is what is this? Multiple graph. Here multiple edges and then loops are there. Okay. Next is a representation of a graph. Representation a problem as a graph can provide a different point of view. Represent a problem as a graph can make a problem such as simpler. Okay, more accurately it can be provided the appropriate tools of solving the problem. There are two components of a graph. Okay, already we well know that components are nodes and edges. Nodes and edges. In a graph like problems, these components have natural correspondence to problem elements. Entities are nodes and interaction between entities are edges. Interaction between the entities or what is this? Edges. Okay, most complex system or graph like friendship network. Okay, this is a famous network. This is what is this? One of the main application of graph theory. Okay, and the next one is a scientific collaborative. Okay, in the scientific collaborative, agent-based models and the mathematical ecology, statistical physics and the structure of RNA are there. Okay, and the next one is business ties in US biotech industry in 1991. Okay, and the next one is genetic interaction network. Okay, a lot of interaction between that, cell polarity, cell wall maintenance, cell structure and then etc. DNA repair and then DNA synthesis etc. are there. Okay, and the next one is protein to protein interaction. This is what is this? Protein to protein interaction. Next one is transportation networks. Okay, the transportation network is one of the basic application of what is this? Graph theory. Okay, next internet. It is already we well known that this is a web graph. It is the internet graph is what is this? One of the main application of graph theory. Ecological networks. This is what is this? Ecological networks. It is a history of graph theory. Okay, the father of a graph theory is Leonhard Euler in 1736. This is one of the most famous theorem. The theorem is seven bridges of Königsberg theorem. Okay, next one is cycles of polyhedra. Okay, Thomas P. Krugman and William or Hamilton are there. Hamilton cycles and polytonic graphs. Okay, next is trees of electric circuits. Okay, Kirchhoff is one of the famous physicists. This is what is this? One of the main advantages of the what is this? Trees application. Okay, and the next one, chemist, it is Arthur Cayley and James, and the next is George Bolyai. Okay, it is CH3, it's a bond, CH3, and then CH2, CH3 is a bond of that chemical reaction. It reduces to what is our graph. Okay, it is also one of the main application of what is this? Graph theory. Okay, and the next is graph, the basic definition of graph. Okay, graph is an ordered triple. Here this is G is equal to V comma E comma F. Okay, V is the set of nodes. Okay, already I told you that V is a set of nodes, points and vertices. E is the set of whose elements are known as edges and lines. Okay, and F is what is this? Maps. F is a function that maps the element of E and to an unordered pair of what is this? Vertices in V. This is a graph. Graph is contained what is this? Vertices and edges. That vertices is what is this? Nodes, points and then vertices. That V is denoted by nodes, points and vertices. E is denoted by what is this? Edges, arrows and lines. Okay, and f is the function. That function is mapped into what is this unordered pair of what is this. Okay, next is vertex. What is the vertex? It is the basic element drawn as a node or a dot. That is drawn as what is this node or a simple dot. Okay, and then vertex it is G is usually denoted by V of G or simply it is V. Okay, and then edge. Edge is denoted by edge is and what is this? A set of two elements. Okay, drawn as a line connecting two vertices called end vertices or end points. Okay, it is an edge. The edge set of G is usually denoted by E of G or simply it is an what is this E. E is an what is this? Set of two elements. Okay, drawn as a line connecting two vertices. Okay, and the next one is example for the graph. Okay, here already I told that here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6 or what is this? Points or vertices in a graph. Okay, and then joined by 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5 and then 5 to 1, 4 to 6 are the what is this? Edges. Okay, here I had write that V is equal to set of all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then E is equal to what is this? 1, 2. Within the bracket at right it is 1, 5 and 2, 3, 2, 5 and then 3, 4 and 4, 5 and lastly it is what is this 4, 6. It is then what is this edge. Okay, it is a simple graph and the next one is here the simple graphs or graphs without multiple edges and then loops. Okay, what is a simple graph without multiple edges and loops or the what is this simple graph. Okay, and the next one is a directed graph. Okay, what is the meaning of directed graph? The direction is given in our graph. Okay, it is a directed graph. Okay, edges have directions. Okay, edges have direction and edge is an ordered pair of nodes. Okay, here already already we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the what is this edges. Okay, here one is directed that one. One point is what is this? Here the direction is 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is it is multiple lines are there. In the 1 to 2 we have what is this? Two multiple lines are there. 1 to 2 again it is an 1 to 2. This is an what is this? Multiple edges. Okay, here 2 to 3 we have an only one edge and then 2 to 5 also only one edge. 5 to 3 is only one edge. The remaining here 5 to 4 and then 4 to 5. We have two edges. That edges are called what is this? Multiple arc or multiple edges. Similarly, in the in the point 3 have an loop. What is the meaning of loop? Here the starting point and the ending point are equal is called a loop. Okay, here the loop is what is the start and end with the same edge. Is called what is this loop. Okay, here multiple arc, the multiple edges is also denoted by what is this multiple arc. Simply if it is an arc, that point is denoted by what is this node or what is this. Okay, simply if it is in points. Okay, and the next one is weighted graph. Okay, and the lastly we have to see simple graphs are there. Okay, in the last graph we have what is this 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5, 6 or what is this simple graphs. Okay, simple there is no multiple edges and then self loop. In that there is no direction or there. Okay, there is no direction, but in the directed graph or digraph. Simply if it is what is this digraph, it is denoted by defined by edges have directions. Okay, edges have direction and edge is an ordered pair of nodes and edge is an what is this ordered pair of nodes. Okay, here also the same graph I have to take. Here it is what is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the what is this points or vertices or nodes. Here how many arcs are there? How many directions are there? 1 to 2 is a direction. Again it is a 1 to 2 is a direction. There is a 2 to 1, there is a no direction. Okay, there is no edge between 2 to 1. Here also the same process 3 to 2 there is no edge and then for 3 to 5 there is no edge, 3 to 4 there is no edge, 3 have only one loop. That loop is what is this? Self loop. Okay, this is in what is this? Direction. 1 to 2 is a direction. Again 1 to 2 is in direction. It is in what is this? Multiple arc. Here also the same as 2 to 5 have only one arc. This is also a direction. There is no direction between what is this? 5 to 2. Okay, and the next is weighted graph. Here some weight is given in that edge. Okay, here is a graph for which each edge has an associated weight, usually given by the weighted function. That weighted function is W such that E to R. Okay, it is a weighted function. Okay, here in this weighted function, here want to have some direction. That direction, the weight is assuming 1.2. Okay, anything if it is 2, it is 2 kilometers, 1.2 kilometers, anything. Here this is 1.2, the same as 4 to 1 have what is this? 0.5, 0.5, it is 0.5 kilometers. Here also same as 2 to 4 is in what is this? 0.2 kilometers. And then 4 to 5 is what is this? 0.3. Okay, it is in some quantities are there in our lines. Okay, 5 to 4 have some weight. That weight is what is this? 0.5. Here the next is 3 to 6. 3 to 6 there is no weight, but 6 to 3 have what is this? 1.5. Okay, this is in what is this? A directed graph. This one is in what is this? Undirected graph. Undirected graph have also in what is this? Weighted graphs. It is also put some weights, that is 1 to 2 have it is 2, 2 to 1 or 1 to 2 have some weights, that weight is what is this? 2. Okay, 3 is isolated. Okay, are same as next same as 1 to 5 have weight is what is this? It is 1. Okay, and the next one is connectivity. A graph is connected. You can get from any node to any other by following a sequence of a edge, or any two nodes are connected by a path. What is a path? Path means there is what are repeated edges are there, means it is a path. Okay, and the next one is a directed graph is strongly connected if there is a directed path from any node to any other node. It is a strongly connected graph. Okay, and the next one is component. Okay, every disconnected graph can be split up into a number of connected components. Okay, this is a connected graph. That connected graph split into two parts. It is a subgraph of that one. This one, and then we are to taking any one of the triangle or there. It is also a what is this? Components. Okay, number of a connected graph. We have to split into that subgraph, split into what is this? Connected graph. It is a what is this? Components. Okay, and the next one, degree. How to find the degree means here number of edges incident on a vertices or nodes or points is a what is this? Degree of a particular vertex. Okay, here it is what is the degree of 4? Degree of 4 is 1, 2 and then 3. The degree of 5 is what is this? 1, 2, 3. Degree of 1 is what is this? 1 and 2. Degree of 2 is what is this? 1, 2, 3. Degree of 3 is what is this? 1 and 2. And then degree of 6 is what is this? Simply if it is an 1. Okay, and the next one is degree or directed graph. Here also the same as directed graph or there. Okay, in degree, number of edges entering is an in degree. Okay, out degree, number of edges leaving is called what is this? Out degree. Degree is equal to in degree plus out degree. That in degree is also denoted as degree plus, and then out degree is also denoted as degree minus. Here is a directed graph. In this directed graph, we have to find the what is this? Degree. Okay, how to find? Here a number, what is this? The vertex is 2. Here in degree is what is this? 2. Okay, the vertex 2, in degree is 2, in degree is 2, and the same as out degree also what is this? It is 2. Okay, that way we have to find the value of what is this? Degree in a directed graph. Okay, already we well known that theorem, famous theorem, fundamental theorem of graph theory. It is a hands-shaking theorem. The theorem is what is this? If G is a graph with m edges, means we get summation of degree of V is equal to 2 into modulus of E. It is a fundamental theorem of graph theory. Okay, this is a hands-shaking theorem. Okay, and the next one, if G is a digraph means it is an directed graph, then summation in degree of V is equal to summation odd degree of V is equal to modulus of E. Okay, number of odd degree nodes is, what is this? E1. Okay, and the next one is walk. Walk is a walk of length. A walk of length k in the graph is a succession of k, not necessarily different edges of the form uv, vw, wx, etc. up to yz. Walk is a, what is this? Alternative arrangement of vertices and edges. It is a walk. Okay, and then this walk is denoted by u, v, w, x, etc. xz. And it is referred to as a walk between u and z. A walk is a closed walk. When the walk is a closed walk, here the starting point and then ending point is equal, means it is a closed walk. Okay, and the next one is a path. Okay, what is a path? A path is a walk in which all the edges and all the nodes are different. All the edges and then all the nodes are, what is this? Different. Here the first one is, what is this walk? 1, 2, 5, 2 again, it is 3, 4. Okay, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 5, again 2, 3, 4. Here the length is, what is this? 4. It is simply it is a walk. Okay, what is a closed walk? Already I told you that the closed walk is starting and ending point is a starting vertices and the ending vertices is equal, means it is a closed walk. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. It is not a closed, it is just a walk. Okay, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again 1. It is a cycle of length is, what is this? 6. Okay, next one is a cycle. A cycle is a closed walk in which all the edges are different. It is a cycle. And the next, special types of graphs. Okay, what are the special types? Empty graph or edgeless graph. Okay, it is a no edge. It is a simply if it is on, what is this? Empty graph. That empty graph is, what is this? Only the vertices. Okay, only the vertices are there. It is an, what is this? Empty graph. And the next one is null graph. Okay, what is the meaning of null graph? There is no edge, obviously no edge. It is, what is this? There is no nodes. Okay, if it is there is no nodes, means there is no vertices. Okay, there is no vertices. Okay, obviously it is, what is this? No edge. It is an, what is this? Null graph and a tree. It is a connected acyclic graph is a tree. Connected acyclic graph is a tree. Two nodes have exactly one path between them. Okay, two nodes has exactly one path between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the nodes. There is no complete graph. There is not a cycle starting with 1 and ending with, what is this? 5. This is also, what is this? Trees. Okay, and the next one is special trees. It is a path and then stars. Okay, and the next one regular. It is a connected graph. All nodes have the same degree. Is a connected graph. Here in the vertices 2 have 3 degree. And then vertices 1 have 3 degree, vertices 6 have 3 degree, 5 have 3 degree, 4 have 3 degree, 3 is also have 3 degree. All the vertices have the 3 degree. Therefore, it is an, what is this? Connected regular graph. And the next is special regular graph. Here also the same process. It is C3. Have the degree is, what is this? 2, 2, 2. It is a cycle graph, as also it is a regular cyclic graph. Cycle 3, C3. This is C4. This is, what is this? C5. Okay, the next one is bipartite graph. We can be partitioned into two sets, V1 and V2, such that U comma V belongs to, what is this? E. Implies either U belongs to V1 and V belongs to V2, or U belongs to V1 and U belongs to V2. Okay, here this is, what is this? This is a vertex 1. 1, 2, 3 are V1 and 4, 5, 6 are, what is this? Capital V2. V1 connect, V1 vertices are connected with, what is this? Only the, what is this? V2 vertices, capital 2 V2 vertices. And the same as 3, 4, 5 vertices connected with, what is this? Only with V1 vertices. Okay. The next one is a complete graph. Every pair of vertices are adjacent has n into n minus 1 edges. Okay. It is an, what is this? Complete graph. It is a complete bipartite graph and then subgraph. Already we well know that subgraph. Okay, this is a given graph. We have to take some subgraphs, 3 or anything. We have to take one line, 4 to 5 edge, 6 to 4 edge, or square, triangle, or the, what is the subgraph of the given graph. And then isomorphism. Okay, Okay, already we know that in our algebra isomorphism, bijection property is hold good. That bijection is what is this? 1, 1 and 2 are there. Here it is bijection, that is a 1-to-1 mapping F from V of G to V of H. H is and what is the subgraph. Okay, U and V from G are adjacent if and only if F of U and F of V are adjacent in H. Okay, if an isomorphism can be constructed between two graphs, then we say those graphs are isomorphic. Okay, and then isomorphism problems, this one, and the next one is a representation of graphs. Okay, what is the representation? Two types of matrices are there, incidency matrix and then adjacency matrix. Okay, in the incidency matrix, V cross E. Okay, V is an what is this and E is an edges. Vertex comma edges contain the edges data. And the adjacency matrix, we have to consider only the vertices to vertices, V to V. Okay, Boolean values adjacent or not. Okay, or edge weights. Okay, in the matrix, the first one. Okay, in the first matrix, we have to find the what is this? Vertices corresponding edge. It is an incident matrix. In the graph, first node here, first word is this. Okay, adjacent with what is this? 5 and 4. Sorry, 1 is adjacent to what is this? 1 comma 2. It is 1 comma 2 on edge and then 1 comma 5 on edge. Only one. These two values are there. We have to put it is 1 1. Again, the remaining values, the remaining edges, we have to write it is 0 0. Here also the same. Second edge. Here it is 2 2 5. And then 2 2 1 2 2 3. Here 2 1 comma 2. There is no directed graph. Okay, just you have to write all the vertices corresponding the value is adjacent or not. If it is adjacent means you have to put it as 1. It is not an adjacent. Non-adjacent means just you have to write it as 0. Here also there is same as incident. Adjacency matrix, we have to consider only the vertices to vertices. We have to consider only the what is this? Vertices to vertices. Okay, the next one is graphs as models. Okay, what is the graphs as models? A lot of applications are there in our graph theory. The main application is what is this? Network. Okay, personal assignment problem. Assigning a people to jobs, arranging wedding, find the appropriate roommates, etc. This is an what is this? Personal arrangement problem. Okay, thank you.